After watching one of Jason Charlton's videos, I decided to try and make some servo savers for the dome. These panels, I just give them a new coat of blue and 2 clear coats. This was my first attempt at gluing on the radar eye. It didn't go well. That glue seeped out the sides. Yeah. So I had to take that off. I figure I'll glue it around here. This time maybe it won't squirt out the edges and look terrible. I had to remove it, accidentally gouged it. It's fine. So, oh, before I do that, there, and then there. Yeah, there. Okay. Now for expert placement. Yeah. I got a little bit of squirt right there, didn't I? That's fine. Not too squirty. A little bit there. I think that's fine. So this is the Benduino all-in-one board. It performs the functions of a few other boards. When I bought it, or when it arrived, the buck converter, which is supposed to step down 12 volts to 5 volts, as you can see there, stepped it down to 9.25 volts, which the teasers didn't like very much. And it killed them, along with, I think, one of the Arduino boards on that board. Replace that one. So I've replaced this one, which I fried because there was about nearly 10 volt going through the teasers, plus and minus, because this buck converter here was set there incorrectly. So I'll be replacing all of these with these, hopefully, which I've just soldered. I've created a new one of those, which is currently in there, that one, and I've just uploaded the sketch, and I'm going to plug it in. Lovely. That's what I wanted to say. Phew. Okay. That worked. Good, I'm happy. So this is the existing front PSI model from the R2D2 V2 Dome Michael Baddeley OneDrive files. You can install it in the Dome, so you can see there, if you install it, you can't actually put the back on it. So I decided to make a new one. Make a new one. I extended the one that already existed, so that's what you can see there. Now that's a comparison of the two. So the new one, just the same, just a bit longer, so you can actually put the back on it without cutting into the dome. This is the audio jack that fell off my Astro Comms board. I sold it back on. It's fine. It works now. I'll just point out that the reason the pipe panels are all over the place is because I didn't fix my servos before installing them, which was a mistake. But I'll go back and fix those later.